fact, cleaning products can seriously damage point-of-sale terminals. Since the onset of COVID-19, businesses have had to rewrite safety and cleaning protocols. This has led to costly damage to point-of-sale pin pads, as they are being sprayed down with disinfectant in the hope to keep them sanitized. Safeguards is a cost-effective solution, not only to protect your POS device investment, but also to avoid costly service calls and business loss due to inoperable units. Safeguards is an exceptionally durable transparent membrane formed and fitted to cover POS devices, keyboards, and office phone systems. This membrane does not create any interference with RFID transmissions during payment and is designed to have cleaning products or sprays, including bleach, applied directly to its surface. Strong cleaners and disinfectants will not harm the material. Safeguard's impermeable surface prevents liquids leaking between keypad buttons, stopping damage to sensitive electronics and eliminating the replacement of devices and costly service calls. Other makeshift solutions such as plastic wrap or sandwich bags can shrivel and melt, creating additional challenges and damage to your device. Keep your payment system safe and your customers safer. Contact bp3DCreatives to discuss your Safeguards POS solution today.